Hi, my name is Firsa Yufia Marta Putri. I'm the founder of First Step Forward, an initiative dedicated to supporting teenagers. Losing both of my parents was the most difficult moment of my life, but I learned that with the right support, we can find the strength to move forward. We rise from loss not as what we've lost, but as who we choose to become. Through First Step Forward, we provide emotional support, access to education, and mentorship for teenagers who have lost their parents. No one should ever feel left behind. We offer hands to hold, dreams to build, and courage to stand tall once more. This is my mission. This is First Step Forward.